What is up, guys? It's Vixen Family here, and today we're doing a full restoration and repair on this iPod Nano 7th gen. So yeah, guys, I got this iPod Nano 7th gen for $5 off of eBay in a massive iPod lot. This thing is in very bad condition. The bottom flap's fallen off right there. The screen has come up and is completely destroyed, and the battery is also completely destroyed. So I have no idea if this even works properly. So yeah, in this video we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take it apart, and we're gonna replace the battery and the LCD. I have my parts right here. I have a new battery, and I also have in this little box a new LCD screen. Surprisingly, the LCD screen beneath the glass, the touchscreen glass, is actually cheaper than the glass itself, which I had no idea about. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into it. I got the LCD right here. Super thin, so you have to be very careful with this when you're replacing it. Put that off to the side and let's get started. Alright, so first thing we need to do, we need to take this screw out. Move the box to the side. There we go. Lift this antenna, this little piece away. Little itty bitty piece. This thing is extremely small. It might not seem like it on the camera, but it is really small. Let's go ahead. Let's take out these two screws on the bottom. Alright, now we can simply just lift up on this display. There we go, we got it open, and I can see some definite water damage. So this thing was definitely water damaged at one point. You see lots of water damage. So hopefully it does still work. So now we need to try and get this piece of glass off because I need to try and save it. Alright, now we got a really messed up screen, so let's go ahead and let's get this battery off the back. Actually, let's just take the LCD out. So the battery itself doesn't actually seem like it's too bulged. It's definitely bulging out a little bit, and it's definitely bad, but I don't know what could have brought up the screen like that. I hope I didn't damage the volume connector, but this thing was definitely held on pretty hard because of the corrosion that formed. Alright, well, let's go ahead and let's throw this screen on real quick, and let's see if we get anything. Alright, grab my power. Alright, we do have an Apple logo. Alright, and it does boot up and work. So, yep, instantly dies. Alright, let's go ahead and let's plug in the touch screen so that we can actually move around the device and make sure the... Oh. Crap. Fantastic. How the heck did that happen? Well, front glass is shot. Gosh dang it. Hopefully I didn't just break the LCD there. Oh man, alright, well, I'm gonna have to go buy a front glass now. I'll cut this back when I get the new front glass. Alright guys, we are back. It's been about a week or two now. I ordered up some new parts. I got the new glass right here. I got the new LCD. I think we already had this in the last episode. I got it in the frame and stuff. Got the frame all cleaned up. And I also soldered in the new battery. So that's all soldered in. I have not tested yet, so let's go ahead and do that. I was waiting to do this on camera. This thing is very, very fragile. All right, there we go. And she does seem to be working. Battery is about fully charged. Come on, focus. Yep, it's pretty high of a charge. So let's go ahead and let's power this thing off so we can keep it going. Alrighty. Now we need to put this frame and stuff all back together. So I went ahead and sped through all this. Nothing crazy happened. Just me looking for screws and stuff and screwing stuff in. That's pretty much it. Alrighty, we should be good now. Alrighty, we will go ahead and connect everything up, make sure everything works, and we'll finish it up. Touch works. All right, cool. This is a 16 gigabyte iPod. Make sure the home button works. Home button does work, cool. Just a little bit weird. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and let's finish this thing up. What I think I'm gonna do with the battery is I'm just gonna put it on the housing because it's really annoying to try and put it back on the screen. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. There we go. Let's go ahead. Let's finish this thing up. Put the 2 bottom screws in. Gonna use some B700 adhesive to put this down because normal adhesive won't work on this little itty bitty thing. All right, power it on, and we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely took a long time. I wasn't expecting it to be this hard, but this was definitely one of the hardest iPods that I've ever worked on so far. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Also, go give a follow over to my Instagram. I post all kinds of behind the scenes, before the videos, and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll have a link up on the screen right now and a link down in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Nano.